Hello friends, Tanya here with another video for you. Today is day 8 of the Spellbinders 2024 Crafty Advent Calendar. Let's open door number 8. We'll see what we get today. And it looks like a vase with some flowers. Again, you see the picture on the back of the door. We'll pull that out. Oh, and mine just wanted to explode. This is several components. Here we've got some parts of the flower. We've got a leaf, a couple, is that 2 or 3 different stems? 3 different stems, 2 leaves, and a vase. So you can see where the center portion of this flower, it's kind of like a flower with a frill and a center bell. So we'll add the layers here, and I've cut the bell portion out of this dark pink/red cardstock and also from some glitter cardstock because I wanted to add some contrast. I'm going to adhere this to the embossed indication of where that's supposed to go on the flower. And I did make 3 of these flower heads in different colors. We'll adhere this to one of the stems. This is the longest, straightest stem. And we have our sweet little vase and our 2 different leaves here. And you could just put one flower in this vase. That does look nice, but I'm going to use all 3 of these flowers, and the other 2 stems have the flower arching to the right and the left. That's perfect if you're going to do all 3 flowers in the vase. Now I thought about doing just one of these flowers, and I was going to do the one curving to the right. So I adhered my leaves to that stem, and we'll tuck that behind the vase so it looks like it's just coming right out of the vase. And once I have that adhered, I decide that's not quite full enough. So I grab the other 2 flowers out of my little bag of prepared elements here because I created the unboxing and the assembly. I did all of that way back in September, and then thought I was going to work on all of these projects over the next few months. And of course, I'm cramming it in at the end here. We're also going to use the curved everyday sentiments. I have lots of these already foiled and die cut, and I have my wonderful sorting system. We're going to use the copper pot Lisa Horton metallic ink to help make our background. I'm just taking this direct to paper and very lightly adding streaks of this copper. I want to create kind of a wood grain look here, just loosely. And I had used the treasured cardstock in rose gold to do the elements for the glitter and the foiled paper. We're also going to use the Precision Layering A, Mini Slimline A, and another of the Hurley embossing folders. This is called Woven. Now that we've embossed that, we're also going to add a layer of the Pearl Lustre Gilding polish over the raised portions of this 3D embossed panel. It really adds a lot, makes this background stand out even more. It's not like in your face, but it really jazzes this up a little bit. It almost looks like a brick wall, but it definitely looks like a basket, a woven basket. So we're going to center our vase of flowers on there. I'm just checking my placement, and we'll adhere this to our 6.5 by 3.5 inch card base. Now you cannot find envelopes that will work with this, but if you have the envelope punch board or the multi-purpose scoreboard from Spellbinders, then you can create your own custom envelopes. I'm adding the vase now with a little bit of extra cardstock behind it to add a little extra height and dimension. And then we'll add our curved sentiment. I've added extra cardstock with a little extra on each end so it evens out the dimension across the front of the card so it rides perfectly over that vase. Then we're going to take one more flower and adhere that to the inside of the card because you know me, I love to add stuff to the inside of the card to make it coordinate with the front. And there we go. That is card or the project for Crafty Day number 8. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't done that. Check the description box for all of the product that I used today, including a link to the Crafty Advent Calendar if you haven't gotten yours yet. And leave me a comment. I'd love to hear what you have to say about this project. Until tomorrow, here are a couple more videos I thought you might enjoy. Bye-bye.